Hi, my name is Natalie Malin and welcome to this quick feather painting tutorial. I have full details and step-by-step directions on the blog with the supplies list, and you can ask me questions there, you can leave me comments here. Please remember to like and subscribe this video if you want to see more of them, and I hope you enjoy it. If you're not comfortable drawing the fun feather shapes yourself, I have a free printable on the blog that has all the shapes of the painting behind this one that you can print out, and you can either print it on watercolor paper or you can print out the black lines and hold it up to a window and trace it on lightly with a pencil to your watercolor paper if you don't feel like drawing them out yourself or you just want some other shapes to practice on. So be sure you look that up on the blog too. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to hit subscribe and like and even hit that little bell so you can see more as soon as it's posted.